What's up, my beautiful people? It's Silent Boy again. I don't mind these roosters. But yeah, welcome to my new vlog channel. Yeah, Africa Vlogs. Welcome you all. So this is a new vlog channel. So yeah, and for the people that don't know me, I'm a recording artist from Portland, Jamaica. And so you can expect lots of music in my vlogs, you know, fun stuff. Just want to show you the local side of Jamaica. And this is my intro vlog, so let's get to it. We on a roll now. Let's go now. Mad thing. Yeah. It's Island Boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world. Yeah, so we're loading up the program right now. So you know what's about to happen, right? It's the Island Boy vibe. Music for the soul. You know what to do, positive, right? Take over control. Just the vibe, right? Yeah. Yeah, my peeps. It's about that time. Don't know. New song again. You know, this is my favorite thing to do. Record. Yeah. I love it. It's your island. Full of vibe in you. Oh yeah. I'm so in love. You make me fall in love, yeah. From the first time I see you, no more I'm be the man. Alright then. I'm so in love. You make me fall in love, yeah. You left a smile on my face. But can't erase. Praise the Lord for what He has done for you. Oh, praise the Lord. Say hallelujah. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Get ready for the gospel trains coming your way, son. Oh, yeah. Been watching you for a very, very long time. My eyes on you. Hey, alright then. My crush turned my love. My love became my all, my everything. My crush turned my love. My love became my all, my everything. I'm so in love. You make me fall in love, yeah. From the first time I see you, you know me want be the man. Alright then. I'm so in love. You make me fall in love, yeah. You left a smile on my face when me can't erase. It's Island Boy. It's Island Boy. Alright then. Been watching you for a very, very long time. My eyes on you. Hey, alright then. My crush turned my love. My love became my all, my everything. My crush turned my love. My love became my all, my everything. Yeah, I'm so in love. You make me fall in love, yeah. From the first time I see you, you know me want be the man. Alright then. I'm so in love. You make me fall in love, yeah. You left a smile on my face. Where can't erase. Like 1, 2, 3. Girls fall for me so easy. You're the only one did not. And to me that's really hot. Yeah, you rock. I wanna come over and say hello. What's your name, Emma? Be your nice things in all your ears, me have to tell you. 60 seconds of your time, that's all me need. If I this a first love today, that's all me feel, no mean. You know say vanity and run down. Me sit down observe and admire that. You are the rightful queen for the kingdom. Girl, a long time me and you for your touch. I'm certain you're not a serpent. Perfectly made from upper heaven. Eh. Been patient and it was well worth the wait. Some me like when no man steal, yeah. Hey, You have me programmed. Fall so fast you think a quicksand. You are the one my love now show no fiction. You are the only drug cause my addiction. Hey, you make me happy like a holiday. No girls come and go but you still a die. Show me happy, show you respect every day. Yeah. Me not care what nobody wants say. Yeah. Hey, I'm so in love.
Big up to JPS. Cut off light when I recording session.
I tell you, man. I feel the light bill now. The power is out.
And joke, man, a regular power cut.
The power is out in the middle of the studio session, my peep. That's so messed up right now. Broke my vibe. I can't record anymore. I'm sorry. I'm so in love. You make me fall in love, yeah. From the first time I see you, I know me want be the man. Alright then. That's why you're sending me up in the tree. Yeah. Okay.
Just shake it, I mean, just pick up.
Be a foot, my damn. Be your feet. You get me? Yeah. See where we at? Huh? Peak? You not climb up near the wire, you know? You sure them are not shock? You hold the camp, fam.
I go rain and come. No walk, man. Walk down. Why you not attacking, man? Walk down. Can I Portland you come from?
Yeah, peeps. So we got some tambourine out of the tree. Get me? Very sweet. Show them in my bag. Come on, be a tambourine. Nice, I get me.
I get quiet for last night when them was there.
Me never quiet. Shot they never scared me, brother. A taxi. You know, see what them want go see what I go on. You see if I'm a thugs them. Yeah. Yes, sir. I man, you know, from here fly kite. One this one down this one. Oh, so one next one there too. Three of them. Yeah, peeps. So I'm on the rooftop right now. Sun is hot. I'm going home today. It's Sunday. I only got the chance to record one song. So I'm heading home today in a couple hours. Yeah. Only get to record one song. Yeah. Feeling too much pain and all that, you know.
Plus like that.
Yeah, plus light. Can't bother them something. But yeah, that's it. And I thank you guys for watching. It's Africa vlog. You know, we bring a tropical vibe. Yeah, until next time. I'm out. Mad thing. I was never made to love no one. I was never made to trust nobody. Nobody. No. I was never made to love no one. I was never made to trust nobody. Nobody. Y'all, what have you done? Them feeling you new to me. If I one time I would have called that foolish.